until then they play the music already. So the volume too low, I can't increase and make you give me inspiration.
Yeah.
The music
in my car is giving you inspiration.
As I get money for my pocket, now they play when I take on. No.
Ozoma, don't touch someone, sir. Don't play any music at all. Ozoma.
Okay, sir. Auntie Novus, I don't finish already. I beg you.
This is how you walk in this.
If you bought my husband's car, what will you say?
I'm sorry.
Because we are playing music.
No, I don't play.
Please excuse me. I beg.
Ozoma, leave it. Wait.
Not by force. I said no watch again.
Let her finish. Madam, wait, let her finish. Ozoma, take it. Ozoma, take it. Have you seen it, Ozoma? Ozoma, have you seen it again, Ozoma?
Can you imagine? Look at my body.
Madam, sorry.
No, not sorry me. Is this how you walk here?
Ozoma, start apologizing to her, Ozoma.
Look at my expensive wig.
Just listen.
Look at.
Hey, madam, no verse. Ozoma. Sorry.
What have I done?
No, I won't take this anymore. Not again.
No verse. Hey, madam.
Excuse me, please.
Can I clean for you?
Please excuse me. I'm not.
Ozoma, leave her car now.
No, now your car.
Don't wash again.
This is my car. Don't wash again.
I mean, don't wash the car.
Sorry. Ozoma, leave the car out. Madam, no verse. Now you come again.
Come again for what?
You're customer
This is how you walk here.
And if I make this money, and if I make this money, when I go see my hustle go pay.
Okay, no, now the fufu they ask how much?
Yes, no.
The 3 fufu.
And 3 minutes.
Okay. The fufu and the meat. What have you said you bring for me that time again? 3 fufu.
And 3 minutes.
No, I don't talk meat, now you just use your mind, bring meat.
Do you even smell yourself? Eh? Do you even smell yourself?
No.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Yes. This idiot with wide nose and big head has come to collect her money. Give this idiot that has wide nose and big head her money so this idiot can go.
Who are you?
My name is Ozoma Chiku. I come because I see that they do interview. When they find agriculture people with the farm. Let me rush come here.
That's good. You're welcome.
It's okay. May we meet you?
Ozoma Chiku.
I mean, this is an interview. So, what institution did you graduate from? I mean, do you have your credentials? I mean, your papers. Did you come with them?
Are you okay?
Madam, it's like you don't understand what we're doing here. This is an interview. I expected you would have come with your credentials. I mean, your qualification papers. Did you come with them? Madam, don't you understand what I'm saying? She's kind of confused. Madam, I mean, did you come with your papers? I mean, your credentials? I think we should call the next person. Next person! Next!
For fear, until if I go interview grad, me will not go school. Go do interview for a job. Certificate I don't get. Na farm certificate I get. I know, na dream. For fear. Interview. Obro mo.
Your food. Let there be something in your stomach so that you will have strength. Open your mouth, please. Cheek. Hey. Chineke nke ọkwanụ gị nie. Chineke mekwara n'ụmụ gị ebere o. Mere no me ebere Chineke. Where do I get money to take you to hospital? Where? Hey. Hi. Chidimma! Mama! Please come.
You'll be fine.
Yes, Mama, you called now. Please, go to that chemist by the road. Get drugs for your sister. And after buying her drugs, please buy her Lucozade boost. Please.
Mama, have you forgotten that sister is not supposed to take anything with preservation until she gets better? So why buying her Lucozade boost?
I forgot. Okay, just get her drugs. Please run fast. Quickly. What is all this? What is all this? Chika, you will be fine. You will be fine. I am trying all I could to take you to hospital. Please. Hey! You have to take your drugs and your food so that you have energy. Okay? Please. Hey! What kind of temptation is this? What kind of temptation is this?
You come. You see, like I said, take these drugs judiciously, okay? Okay. One in the morning and one at night. Okay. Then the following day. All right? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Chidima, why is your face like this? I hope there's no problem.
My sister has been diagnosed of kidney infection, so my mother sent me to you to come and meet you if you can give us any drug.
Kidney what?
Kidney infection.
Okay. This is actually a serious case, okay? And it's something beyond my own power. My candid advice to you people is that you should take her to the hospital for dialysis to avoid operation. I mean transplant.
Oh God, please. Is there no drug you can give to her, my sister? Even if it's antibiotics, something she can take.
No. Like I said before, take her to the hospital. There's nothing I can do as regards this case.
I don't have money for hospital. I don't have money for hospital. My sister.
Chidima, see, crying is not going to solve this issue.
I'm not crying.
Okay, clean your face now. See the candid advice here now, eh? You tell your mom to take her to the hospital, okay?
Yes.
I owe you nothing but the truth. There is nothing I can do as to this case, okay? I want to sell my drugs, but not to risk anybody's life. You're like a sister, a family to me, okay? So the best thing you guys need to do now is take her to the hospital, okay? With that, every issue will be corrected. Stop crying. No. It's beyond my case. It's beyond my case. It's not about the money. I want to sell my drug, like I said. But I can't do this. No. My profession does not permit this. It's beyond my case.
Hey.
Too much work. Much work. Tomorrow now, Mazi Bekwe's farm. And there I'll go tomorrow. Today never end. Today, I'll go father farm, go work. Clear off father farm, finish. Tomorrow, Mazi Bekwe. And there I'll go. And there I'll sleep. Next tomorrow. Yeah. Mazi NZedu. And there farm I'll go. But I am wide nose if I work finish. Make you don't pay me.
Where is the drugs?
Mama, the chemist man said the only way out is to take sister to the hospital. So this sickness will be corrected. That's the only solution to this problem right now.
Are you saying he didn't give you even paracetamol?
No, Mama, he didn't.
Sorry.
He said we should stop giving sister drugs, so wasn't the case.
So what do we do now? Eh? What do we do? Talk now.
Mama, if you ask me, I think we should take sister to the hospital as the chemist man has said. That is the only solution to this problem right now. Nothing will happen to you. Just hold on. You'll be fine. Alright, get him. Mama.
Stay with her. Put eye on her.
Yes, Mama.
Thank God today is for market. Let me take the plantain to the market and sell them, okay?
Yes, Mama.
I just hope that you sell.
Huh?
Amen.
Go.
Udoka! Hey! Yeah! When did you come back?
Yesterday, Mama.
Really?
Yes, Ma.
Hello!
Mama, where's my friend?
Uzama? She has gone to the farm.
Ha! To the farm?
Yes, Kwa.
Under this hot sun.
Udoka, you talk as if you don't know Uzama again.
So Mama cannot change you. Mama, do you know when she will come back?
That will be in the evening. Yeah. Okay. Better. You know Nze Akos farm? Nze Akos farm.
Akos farm.
The one by the orgy tree.
Oh, okay. Yes, I remember. I remember.
Go there, you see her there.
Okay, Mama, you know what? I'm going to the market now to buy something. Maybe as I'm returning our branch.
Udoka, yes, you are coming all the way from the city. You did not bring anything for me. You did not buy bread. Those things that you women used to do, women like us used to, you did not bring any. You are now going to the market.
Mama.
Anything you know that befits me, bring it.
Okay, Mama.
Yes,
Ma.
Oh?
Yes, Ma.
Yeah. Udoka.
Yes, Mama.
Udoka. Bia. Yeah. Udoka, what are you eating? Look at the backyard. It's getting longer. Obigi is getting wider. Banana. Be careful.
Yes, Mama.
Just try to calm down. Oh?
Yes, Ma.
Hey, whoa. Here.
Mama, bye.
Yeah! Le quick! Oh! Don't forget, oh! Yeah!
How was
See,
it?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
What did you like that?
You make me laugh. Don't do it next time.
I carry this flower. I'll bring flowers.
See, alright.
That's not nice now. That's
So when are you going to change this your hairstyle?
Don't worry, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Where?
I'll change it tomorrow, don't worry.
Are you sure?
My hairstyle.
I want you to look more beautiful.
But you give me money.
Yes.
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
And please, this your plantain, is it for sale or you bought it for your own use?
I am selling it. In fact, I have sold some. So it is remaining this very one.
So, Mama, how much are you selling it?
It's 2,500 naira only.
Mama, why is it 2,500 now? It's too expensive.
Please, my son, buy from me. Buy from me. My daughter is at the verge of dying. Chika is at home. She is very, very sick. So I'm selling it so that I can raise money to take her to the hospital.
Mama, even at that, 2,500 is too much. Please, come down a little bit.
I told you that my daughter is at the verge of dying. Why don't you help me and buy it from me? Please. Look at old woman like me, hawking plantain on the road at my age. Hi. You buy from me now. Okay, how much you want to buy?
I'll buy 1,500.
Hi. Oh my God,
that's what you have, 1,500.
Only 1,500.
Yes, ma'am. Mama, take. I'm giving you this 2,500 because your daughter is sick.
Yes, God bless you.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mama, this is your plantain.
Thank you. Thank you. Please, God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Sustain me. See what it's in now. I'm coming from the farm. Now farm work. You don't forget. Now farm work. When you come? I came in yesterday. I'm coming from your house now. Your mother said you went to the farm. Mazizekwe. That's a big farm near UCHE. She told me. I go clear. You cleared it? All. How long have you started? Since morning. Since morning? I tell you. Ha! Uzo. Only you.
Only me.
You finished it.
Finish am.
Lying. How many of you did it?
You want to insult me now? You want to insult me now? Only me now.
Only you?
Yes.
Ah, no. This is bad though. You're becoming a workaholic, eh?
Eh? How city? You look good.
Oh, I'm sitting What do you want to say? Say it. I know. I'm a city girl.
See my people, though. Udoka and Uzoma.
Off I'm kind.
Is that from now?
Oh, more.
Hey. How far?
Wow.
Hey. Atam.
Oh, more.
Hey. Atam. Atam, come out and hug us now, eh? Hey.
Udo. No. Go back. What is your problem? Nah, what for you, Zoma? So you haven't stopped this thing you're doing? Eh? So if I didn't stop you, you will hug me with... Hey. Nah, Zoma, eh? Just look at your body. You want to hug me? Do you know how much this is cost? This is saffin.
So, I just told you now, eh? That's why she wanted to hug me here now. You're just hugging. That's how you hug people.
No, it's not proper now. You don't hug people like that, eh? Anyway, that's by the way. Where are you going to?
I'm going home, Afam.
Hey. Uzoma.
Yes.
How was the city?
Well, as you can see, Afam has a long money now. No, okay, just hop in.
Listen now. Eh?
No, now. Must I talk to you before you have sense? Eh? Come out first. How can you enter the car like this? Even cutlass and hoe, you want to farm inside the car? Eh? See, just go home and take your bath. When you're done, we can hang out and chat like long-time friends. What are we friends for? If I leave you, just enter the car. Look at you now, even with your hoe. Nah, is this here a farmland? You want to farm inside my car? Take your bath, we'll see later.
I will pick you up,
Oh, just go, that's our Just take your bath, eh? Take your bath.
Okay. They say I'm thinking I must find my house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there.
Hey. Mama, she's fine. No.
Did she eat anything?
Mama, as you can see, the food is still there. She did not eat anything, not even a spoon.
Hey. Okay. I bought her beans and ripe plantain.
Mama, have you forgotten sister is not supposed to eat beans? She's supposed to stay away from protein from now until she gets better. So why buying her beans?
What will she be eating now? Mama, get on.
Okay, Bono. I heard that she will eat normal food like other people, but less of protein. Beans is protein, Mama. You can't buy sister beans.
Okay, Mbano, take those things inside. Then go to the kitchen and start preparing for dinner. No, come on, Maria, Biko.
Eh? Oh,
thank God. Everything went well.
You saw
everything.
Eh? Come.
God, heal my child. Heal my daughter for me, God, please. Please, God. What is it? God forbid. What is it? You will not die. Chika, you will not die. You will not die. Never. You will not. It's okay.
It is better I die.
You will not. Chika, it's okay. Oh, yeah, put your leg on put your head on my leg. You won't die. You will not die. Okay?
It's so much.
No.
This is difficult to urinate.
No. No. It's okay. You will be fine. I am trying to raise money so I can take you to a specialist that will take care of you. Oh? No.
They say I'm stinking. I'm a farmer that house to make the money in the village. I don't know what they say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dirty. But they don't know that the city is forever.
Who's Mama?
Mama?
Who's Mama?
Mama?
What is it?
There's nothing.
Nothing. And you are like this?
I'm very okay.
You are okay? Ah, okay. No problem. Udoka came to ask after you. Did she come to the farm?
Mama, if you know the insult and humiliation where Udoka give me today for farm, she and her farm, you know go stand there ask me, Udoka came here, she's here.
Her farm? When did he come back?
I did tell you what in person do me for farm. You did ask me when he come back. What he concern me and when he come back, Mama? If I'm look me finish, say I'm dirty. You see, I know if you enter in car because I go infect in car with dirt. I say you are too dirty.
Udoka, copy, Kaina. Yeah! Yeah! Insult, yeah!
Udoka look me finish. Udoka say I am dirty like Ezibida. Okay.
My daughter. Nothing like that. Shine! Hey, no. Good for you. Yes, good for you. When my brother, your uncle, came to take you to the city, what did you tell him? You said city people are ritualists. That they do this and that. How far?
How are you?
I'm coming. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Are you eating granuts?
No.
Anyway, where is my sister?
Inside.
Inside, eh? Do?
Sister!
Done.
Hey, you know my uncle in the city now. You know my uncle there for city, Uncle Mecca.
Okay, that's big head. That's big head. Okay.
You won't carry me go city. Man, go start something. He said, it won't better my life.
Sigin.
City.
What forbid though?
You want to go to the city? So you've not heard? Eh? You want them to use you for rituals? Eh?
In the city.
You've not heard that they steal pants in the city to use and make money? You don't like your pants again. You want them to steal it.
Hey!
What?
Uzoma, did you hear of Nzekwe's daughter?
The one with the accident?
Exactly. Few days after she left for the city, she died.
And I heard they still had pants that they stole to do the money.
I leave that one. If you go to the city, big motor, they move anyhow, anywhere. They can't even jam you. Ha! So don't go anywhere or me, I don't want to die you.
Yeah. Everything I tell Nana, I don't clean up my mouth.
No, clean them all.
You see that my uncle in America? I don't spit and come out.
He better.
I go city again.
Thank God say you tell us so. That what are we friends for? Eh? Thank God say you just tell us. You go steal your pan, use and do one or two before you know. You wake up, you stop breathing just like that too.
How will I wake up and stop breathing?
No, like I mean, like
I've already stand up and I stop breathing and now die again.
Let's leave that one. Anything you can make in the city, you can make it in this village. It's not pan. We'll be selling pan ones, everything together. We make the money.
Uzoma, there's fire on the mountain.
Where the shout?
Yo, Uzoma, there's fire on the mountain. No.
So, person die.
Afam don't die. Afam, no. Afam damaged Amadi's television, and he asked him to pay 85,000 naira.
Huh? It's 5 guinea.
1,000 naira.
I don't advise Afam. I don't speak to him. Say stop this thing what you did. You know here, 85,000.
Uzo, Afam is the police station though. And Amadi said if he does not pay that 85,000 naira, he will not come out. He will not come out. I've managed to raise 25,000 naira. He said I should come and meet you and beg you so he can bring the many one.
60,000 naira. Make I bring her. To come out of a police station. How much be your Okada? How much be Keke? How much be full house?
Uzo.
How much to buy a human being? I'll come bring 60,000.
Uzo is our friend.
The last 15,000 I gave him, he never give me back till now.
Afam has not paid you that money. He will join all and pay you now. When he comes out, he will pay you. Uzo, he's our friend now. Oh, okay, let me kneel down. Please help him now. He will pay you back. Thank you. Thank you.
Sister, Uzoma called me a ritualist. No. Uzoma, you called me a ritualist.
No. You are not.
Just because I want to take her to the city to teach her how to better herself. She's rotting here and she's calling me a ritualist.
You are not.
Sister, is she from this family? Because we don't have this in our blood. The way she behaves is weird. You call me a ritualist? No.
She did not call you a ritualist, please.
I don't call him ritualist though. I did not call him ritualist.
You keep quiet.
I only say please, nobody should kill me.
Yeah.
Nobody should kill me.
Me, ritualist.
My brain.
She's still saying it.
I beg you are not a ritualist, please, my brother.
I don't want to die. Me nobody go use my brain.
Ritualist.
She's not talking to you. She's not talking to you. Me, ritualist. I am not you, people.
I won't go use my left hand or my left leg. Use my brain. They can do money. I don't want to die. Me nobody go use my mouth. I'll come be dumb. I not fit to.
I no fear. I no fear.
I'm a stupid person, Mama. I be very stupid girl. But Udoka na senseless girl too. And Afam, he must pay me all my money. I don't want to hear anything. Nabia.
Uzoma. Uzoma. Uzoma.
No problem.
Uzoma. Here, where is she going to? Oh.
Uzoma, what is your problem? So you still haven't taken your bath? Eh? Don't you know you're a woman? What is your problem? Go and take your bath and come back. We can go to anywhere you like.
Thank you.
Is it hard?
Mr. Satin. Thank you. I don't come to hug you now. You don't forget since I'm small. Now you remind me. Uzoma, go take your bath. Go take your bath before I go bath. I come here to collect my money where you owe me. Now make me come.
Uzoma, what's your problem?
Yeah, Achom, Biko, Achom. I call your name now. Your matter now after that we go settle. You leave me enter moto. Uzoma, go have your bath. Oh, Uzoma, have a bath. Oh.
So Uzoma, because I asked you to go and take your bath, do yourself some good and come back, you're coming to me to remind me of how much?
Yes, 75,000.
So because of 75,000, do you know who you're talking to? Afam. Afame Funa, the long money.
Okay.
Is who you are because of 75,000.
Give me my 75,000. When you break person TV and I pay him, you not give me back. 15,000 where I borrow you since you never still give me back. I've come to collect my 75,000 because
So because do you even smell yourself? Eh? Do you even smell yourself?
No.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Yes. This idiot with wide nose and big head has come to collect her money. Give this idiot that has wide nose and big head her money so this idiot can go. Okay. Give me my money.
I've seen you're here to insult me, but I will not tolerate that. I won't tolerate that. Let me go get your money for you. Just hold on for me. Me.
This idiot has come here for 75,000. Give this idiot that has big nose and wide head 75,000 so I can go.
Uzo, take it easy. I told you.
Baby, Achom. Please, I don't want any trouble. Your matter is after now I go settle. I don't want any trouble, please.
Here's your money.
Give me. Thank you. When you first went to break person TV, this one come and cry. I give him 60,000. You refuse to pay me back. The first 15,000 when you borrow from my hand, you still don't pay me back until you break TV. Why I borrow you 60,000? So the money 75,000. Yemia.
So you're here to insult me?
Yemia.
Do you know the plans I have for you?
You're my father.
No, can you imagine this girl? Do you know the plans I have for you?
Thank you, sir.
Because of 75,000.
You were too hard on her now.
No, what wrong did I do that I asked her to go and take your bath and come back?
I have spoken to her that way.
No, how did I speak to her? Is it wrong?
You were too hard on her. That's just the truth. You were hard.
So, okay.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you. No matter what you do, it's always.
Stop talking again.
Mama. What I want to tell you is that I don't make up my mind to go city.
No.
Yes.
I will give you my brother's phone number and address, so that we'll look for him.
But I go still go Udoka house now. Go tell her say tomorrow morning I go follow her to go city. Uncle address him give me before. He dey for top cupboard there. I'll carry him. If Udoka fit help me trace in house for city, I'll go there. If she no fit, anywhere where she there, I go sit down there with her the hustle. This insult, don't too much. Don't too much.
Very, very happy now. Hey! Assam!
Mama.
Here!
I'm so happy that you have decided to go to the city. At least to find something good to do with your life.
The hustling now. One hand. Ha! Assam!
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that house to make the morning the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, Cause I'm hustling in DT, but they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there.
He said, make you can call me.
Who?
Doka, no go.
My sister has left for the city this morning.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Me and her family plan saying they will send you can call me. So that all of us go city together this morning.
Oh. She and Brother Fam left for the city this morning.
So after 2 of them offend me, we will come settle. They apologize to me, I can't agree. We come plan say we'll come out this morning. 2 of them come elope.
See, I don't know anything about this. Huh? This morning, 9 of them come.
Hey!
I hope there's no problem.
After Udoka and after discourage me, make I not follow my uncle go city. Me and the company say we'll go city together. They leave me go. Hey!
But no problem, no tension.
Hey! Hey! I'll go to the city. I'll cross that bridge, I'll go to that city. I must to make up for that city, I'll go to that city. Hey!
Cause I'm hustling in DT, but they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down my guy. When I go see my hustle go pay.
Afam, thank you for bringing me back. You saved my transport.
You're welcome. What are we friends for? So this is where you live?
Yes. You want to come in?
No, that won't be today. I have somewhere very important to attend to. But I'll come back later, some other time.
Afam.
No, I will come, but not today, my dear.
It's okay. All the same, thank you. Let me get my bag.
All right.
Okay. Okay, bye.
All right.
Money. See, Afam has changed. Kai. I didn't do well. Uzoma will be so angry at me. What will I do now?
Yeah. Uzoma. What is it? Are you aware? Say Udoka and Afam go city today. You don't tell me. Eh? They left you. Hey! Now grow me a day so. They go that city, go walk.
Uzoma, sit down. Uzoma, you have not been to the city before. Eh? Wait, when Udoka come back, you talk to her so that...
City, na city. My uncle address it for inside this my bag. City, na city. As I go there, I go make her.
How do you know that it's the same place they live?
City. What do they call her? They call her town. City, na city. They say city. They go city. Uncle the city.
Uzoma. Uzoma. Hey! This girl, you have not been to the city before. Eh? Well, you're a smart girl. Hey! Let her go anyhow, you say how. Anyhow, you say how.
down and wipe your tears.
I say I went to the lab section and the lab scientist is now on seat. I did culture I did culture a few days ago, so I'm here to collect my result.
Okay, what's your name?
Afamoko.
Sorry, can't check his name. His name is not here.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so give me a minute.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best you. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. A good heart is good to you. A better heart is the best you.
Hello there. Please, wipe your tears, okay? Wipe your tears. Everything will be all right, okay?
No matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. I always
Wipe your tears, okay? Talk to me.
My sister is not feeling fine. She has kidney infection. My mom is with the doctor in his office.
Kidney.
Yes.
Wow. So, have they administered any drugs to her?
No, I'm waiting for my mom. She's with the doctor.
Oh. It's okay. Wipe your tears.
No matter what you do, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. A better heart is the best you.
So, my hands are tied here. There is nothing I can do. I'm sorry. Come in, please. Oh, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Is that your lab test result?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Madam, please, I would like you to excuse me. I want to attend to my patient, please. I'm sorry. I hope you understand. Sorry, please. Today?
Well, I thank God I'm out here today.
Okay. That's good.
So how are you doing today?
Well, I'm fine. Bless God, we've seen today.
Okay.
How's work?
Fine. From the look of things, you don't have any serious problem like I told you before. So what's going to happen now is that there are some medications that you need to start start taking now. So what I will do is to prepare the bill and every necessary thing. Then I'll forward it to the nurses at the counter, and then they will tell you what next to do.
Oh, thank you very much.
So the prescriptions and everything, I'm just going to give it accurately, then you commence treatment.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Sorry, Doc. I want to ask.
Oh, fine, go ahead.
There's a lady I saw.
One lady crying profusely. What is wrong with her?
Well, that's her mother that just stepped out of here. She suffers kidney stones, and they're having a challenge of wanting to raise the money and not having it and all manner of stories. So we're just discussing that before you stepped in. You know, people these days, when you try to teach them how to keep themselves healthy, they just play deaf ears and take it for granted. So right now she has to go through a scan. A lot of tests has to be conducted on her, and treatment has to commence immediately for her own sake. From the look of things, her condition has gotten to the extent that she has to be taking up to 25 to 30 liters of water per day. But they keep coming here with these things, and you try to tell them nobody's doing it. The next thing, they are back again with the same complaint. So what's happening now is that the woman, I don't know if she's actually going to get the money to do the deposit so we commence the treatment or not. Her daughter's life is actually in her hands. Yeah.
That is actually so painful. So, what is the way forward now? Like, how much is it going to cost to get her back on feet?
Oh, wow. Well, if I must be sincere with you, that would cost some reasonable amount of money. But from the look of things, I cannot be too certain about that. Maybe 5 to 550,000 naira should go a long way. Yeah. Because the stent actually costs a lot, and such patients, their drugs are quite expensive. Yeah. So maybe 500 to 550,000 naira would clear some stuff for her.
550,000. That's a lot, though. 550,000. Okay. Can I ask you for a favor?
Okay.
Is it possible to deposit 300,000 for now, at least to commence with the treatment? Then as time goes on, we'll complete it, if possible. I see, Doctor, say, that lady has been crying. You need to see the way she was crying. We need to help her life. Please, you don't have to say no. We are human.
You know, these things we have to abide by professional rules and regulations, but
we're still human.
Nurse Chichi. Doctor, please take this patient to the ward and commence treatment on her immediately.
Okay, doctor.
A good heart is good, duo. It's good. It's good. A better heart is the best, yo. It's best. It's the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good, duo. A good heart is good. Yo, good do all the way. Onyopyo mage melele manowa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always.
Hello, sister. Yes, I'm here. I'm here with her mother. No, she said Auntie Zoma has left for the city already. Yes. Okay, let me give her the phone.
Hello, Udoka. Hey, Udoka. What did Uzoma do to you? You left to the city without her as the both of you agreed. I can't find my daughter. Udoka, let nothing happen to my daughter, Biko. Hey!
Hello, sister. Okay, no problem. Mama, calm down. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to Sister Uzoma. She's a big girl and she can take care of herself. And moreover, my sister will find her.
All I am saying is I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Nothing will happen to her, Mama. She'll be fine.
Okay.
You worry too much. Oh, it's okay.
I'll call my brother.
Okay. So
and talk to my brother too.
Okay, Mama. Let me go home.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Mama.
I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling and dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life, control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down Balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay.
Last bus stop. I'm not going to last bus stop. What do you do here? The doctor in the bag. No, madam.
Hey!
No.
Don't tell me that kind of thing. I carry bag.
Madam, you don't carry any bag. What's you? You don't carry bag. Enter this motor, madam. Do. Oh, no, go.
I carry bag.
Madam, you don't carry bag. Come here. This thing, my husband. Madam, come out. Driver, your side. Madam.
Which side?
Madam, you don't carry bag. Come. You don't carry bag.
Which side? Which side?
Madam, come on.
Which side?
Driver, no.
Go where? I carry bag.
Madam, you don't carry bag. Come here now. See wahala. Okay, see the bag inside this motor. She's not just in that motor. That's so sweet. Wow, madam, come out. You want come out? I beg. Driver, no, go. Madam, what's your problem?
My bag.
Madam, come out. Say your bag waiting. They disturb me, madam. What's the way you want to carry your record? Comes from my blues now.
My bag.
What's that doing now? Madam, come on.
Madam, calm down, man.
What you come see your bag? You see the bag here?
Go now, madam.
Bag no dey there, madam. Leave this thing. We're waiting now. Come out.
I carry bag.
You don't carry bag. If it's not me who you for this motor, you don't carry any bag. Madam, come on. Time to go.
But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money,
madam, this motor will win you, madam. Come on, I want to. Madam, you don't come out there. Come on.
if I make this money,
Driver, they go.
when I go see my hustle,
Driver, come passengers.
they tell me slow down. The way the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I'm
God bless you. Your pocket will never dry.
Amen.
You will never lack in this life.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. You're welcome. You see, your daughter's tears broke my heart. I felt it. Okay? All I did was just for God. You don't need to thank me. It's alright. So I'll come with time to know how she's faring. So Badiro, just to Nike, oh? It's alright. Also, God bless you too. Bless you too. Well, got there? Alright. Okay, thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I'm getting better. But I still feel pain on the leg.
Okay. Okay, let me just check your BP. Okay, that's not actually a problem, but like I always advise, you take more of water and the drugs would help break the stones. With time, you'll be fine, okay? And madam, please ensure she gets something to eat after this time. The nurse will be coming to give her some injections and drip. She'll be fine.
Thank you, doctor. God bless you. God bless you, doctor. Thank you.
You'll be fine. Huh? Uzoma? Huh? Which kind of one be this now? Huh? Me, I won't go from here now. At least the village mosquito. Now for night, they bite person. This city mosquito, it gets horn. Now for hot afternoon, they bite person. Too much bad people for this city. They don't take my bag. Uzoma, why you sleep? Ma'am? Uzoma, where you want to go from here? Ma'am?
But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this
Good morning.
money,
Welcome. Fine now. What are we? Yes. Fine now. What are we? Yes. Plenty. We get egusi, we get vegetable, bitter leaf and draw.
Bitter leaf there?
Yes, bitter leaf. Okay. Abu ogari. Okay, ma buy abu for outside. No get abu. Okay.
but I want this money, and I want to jolly.
And they come and bring her. Yeah.
The city people think I'm crazy.
No, I don't
Cause
think
I'm hustling in dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down balaga. Hey, they tell me slow down. The way they hustle,
they come and bring you.
say you go blow now. Take a easy,
Okay.
know that also you can control life, control life. But I want this money, and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down balaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay. Una go see say my hustle go pay. And if I make this money, una go see say my hustle go pay. And if I make this money, una go see say my hustle go pay. They tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly.
My son, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Welcome, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
That's good.
My son, thank you very much.
Mama, I've told you to stop thanking me. Everything I'm doing is for God. I've said that countless times, please.
So how are you? How is your business?
Oh, business is fine. Bless God for today. Business is fine. You see, where's Chidima?
Oh, Chidima went to the village. I sent her to the village. I asked her to get us some clothes and also check on my farm.
Oh, I see. Okay, interesting. See, I was actually heading to work, so I decided to stop by, at least to get you people's provisions. I guess you need this. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you, sir.
Oh, bless you too. Bless you too. The only good you do for me and your mother is to get well soon.
I will.
You promise?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Very good. Okay, Mama. Let me run along, yeah? All right, Ma. Bye.
Where you?
Thank you.
I want 7.
Oh, wait.
1,700.
Okay, no, now the fufu they ask how much?
Yes, no.
The 3 fufu.
And 3 minutes.
Okay. The fufu and the meat. What time you say me you bring for me that time again? 3 fufu.
And 3 minutes.
No, I don't talk meat, you know, now you just use your mind, bring meat. But your madam there?
My madam? She there kitchen.
I won't greet her.
Give me money now.
No, I won't like I greet her first.
No, you greet her first. Okay, I will come my car. Auntie?
What is this now? What is this?
Sorry.
Huh?
I don't finish already.
What's the meaning of this?
Sorry.
You are still washing the car
I don't finish. I just to pour on top of the body now. No verse, auntie.
What kind of a thing is this?
Sorry.
I knew when I parked this car here.
What is it?
You are still washing it.
I'm delaying with the car. I don't finish already.
Can you imagine?
Sorry. See, I don't delay too much.
I came here and she was busy playing music in my car.
Music?
For what?
No.
Also, my playing music in someone's car.
No, Oga. The auntie don't play the music already. So if the volume too low, I can't increase and make you give me inspiration.
Yeah.
The music in my car is giving you inspiration.
As I get money for my pocket, now they play when auntie come. No.
Also, don't touch someone's car. Don't play any music at all. Also,
Okay, sir. Auntie, no verse. I don't finish already. I beg no verse. This is how you work in this
If you
in
bought
this
my
place.
husband car, what will you say?
I'm sorry.
Because we are playing music.
No, I don't play.
Please excuse me. I beg.
Ozoma, leave it. Wait.
Not by force. I said no wash again.
Let her finish. Madam, wait, let her finish. Ozoma, not again, Ozoma.
No wash, Shasa.
Ozoma, not again. Have you seen it, Ozoma? Ozoma, have you seen it again, Ozoma?
Can you imagine? Look at my body.